Welcome to the 1 Million Account Challenge.
But before we dive into this challenge, let's talk about who we are and what we stand for. If you've ever traded with us, you already know our core belief. It's math makes money. That's not just a tagline, it's the foundation of everything we do. We trade with our head and not our heart, because emotions don't belong in disciplined trading.
Our approach is simple but very powerful. We find repeatable, data-driven strategies, enhance them with AI, and then we validate them through rigorous testing. We back test extensively to ensure reliability, and we forward test to compare real-world results against projections. This commitment to transparency and accountability is what sets us apart.
And based on this philosophy, we created the $1 million Account Challenge, a structured, math-driven approach designed for consistency and sustainable growth.
What you are looking at right now is the actual operational backbone for every $1 million worth of trading we do. Before we place a single trade each week, we run over 1 million backtests, not estimates, not guesses. These are actual tick-level simulations of MEIC trades, EMA trades, and dozens of variants. This enormous data pipeline produces our preset entries, our preset exits, our preset times, our preset premium targets, and the exact stop-loss percentages that we'll use for the next week. Nothing, and I mean nothing, is discretionary. Nothing is improvised in our system.
How about hunches?
No hunches.
And once Monday morning hits, the robots take over. We execute 60 MEIC trades per day and 60 EMA trades per day, 120 total. Every day, automatically. Each of these trades have predefined purpose in the system. We don't chase, we don't skip, we don't adjust the base how the market feels.
Nope.
The rules create over the weekend, become the playbook for the week, and the robots follow it with absolute discipline.
This is what allows me to go surfing and swimming all day because I don't do anything. Every closing order rests on the CBOE electronic book. We don't hold them at the brokerage or at the robot website. That means our exits are in the system the instant the trade opens, guaranteeing consistent, unemotional execution. That's one of our huge advantages. The MEIC, or the multiple entry iron condors, they are our neutral engine. Most traders put on one iron condor a day, maybe two if they're aggressive, which exposes them to every minute of the day volatility. We do exactly the opposite. We slice the trading day into dozens of micro windows and execute 60 very small iron condors. Each one is independent. Each one is pre-tested. Each one targets a precise premium that we know is statistically favorable because the back tests prove it. By spreading the risk across 60 small entries instead of one big one or two, we eliminate timing risk. We reduce the probability of catastrophic losses, and we turn the SPX 0DTE trades from a single unpredictable monster into a controlled series of tiny, repeatable income events. That's the power of the MEIC. Math makes money in this system.
The EMA system is a directional engine. It's simple on the surface, but incredibly sophisticated underneath.
When the 20-minute exponential moving average crosses above the 40-minute EMA, the market has shifted into a bullish micro trend. That is when we sell put credit spreads, not because we feel bullish, but because millions of data points confirm the trend continuation. When the 40-minute EMA moves above the 20-minute EMA, the short-term structure turns bearish. and we sell call credit spreads to capture the premium in the direction of weakness.
But the real power, we only take signals during statistically proven time windows. Those windows come directly from our million trade weekend backtest.
So no guessing, pure math, pure timing, pure structure. October was another great month. Why? Because consistency is engineered, not hoped for. Because we did our homework. We did millions of backtests per week. We traded enough times to make the math work. Over 120 trades per day. We traded with our heads, not with our hearts. All automated, all structured, all disciplined.
It's traded based on math. It's trading based on repetition. It's trading based on rules. It is trading based on AI.
It's simple, repeatable, data-driven, and AI-assisted trading. When you stop trying to be right and you start following a system, your results stop swinging back and forth and they start stabilizing. That's how we trade every day.
The most important thing to remember is that trading, that math makes money.